Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a tasty roasted vermicile cake known as Mkate wa tambi in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee, 200 grams of roasted vermicile, 150 grams sugar, which is approximately 2 3/4 cup, a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 400 milliliter of coconut milk, and lastly some raisins. So the first step, you're going to break the vermicile into small pieces as you can see in the video. Once you're done breaking the vermicile into small pieces, then it's high time to cook our cake. In a medium large pot, start by pouring 400 milliliter of coconut milk, which is approximately to 2 cups. Then you're also going to add a half a cup of water, which is approximately to 150 milliliter. Then add a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and 3/4 cup of sugar and mix everything well. Then add the small pieces of vermicile and mix them slowly and let them cook on a low-medium heat. Let them cook on a low-medium heat until the coconut milk is completely dry. Once the coconut milk is less, add a bit of raisins and dip them in and let them to continue cook till the coconut milk is completely dry. Lastly, I'm going to spread some oil or ghee, then afterwards remove the vermicile from the fire. Afterwards, take a baking pan, spread some oil or ghee so that the cake doesn't stick at the bottom. Then afterwards, take the vermicelles and spread it evenly as you can see in the video. Bake in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour until golden brown. After 1 hour, my vermicile cake is ready as you can see in the video. Let it cool completely before serving it. And my soft and tasty vermicile cake is ready as you can see in the video, and enjoy with a cup of tea. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.